Welcome to this week's Manlius Library Teen Take and Make project. If you've got your kit and opened it, you'll find a small container of white glue, a little bit of glitter, 2 random paint colors. If you would like to add some paints that you have at home, you are, of course, welcome to do so. A sheet of stickers. Mine happens to be cut in half, but a little sheet of gem stickers, a paintbrush, some Q-tips, which mine appears to be missing, and a wind chime. Which is wood. It actually makes a lovely sound. Okay. So this is really a project that calls for your creativity. One recommendation I would make is that you paint before you glue and glitter. Otherwise, you'll be covering up the sparkly part of the glitter. Okay, so let's decorate a wind chime. One thing that you will need to provide yourself is a cup of water for your brush. As with past projects that include paint, if you leave the paint in the little container when you're done with the top on, it will stay fresh for as long as you'd like to use it, or until it's gone. Okay, the green is dry, so let's do some more painting. I'd love to see pictures of yours when you get them all done. You can email them to me at lfinger@manliuslibrary.org or post them on Instagram and tag Manlius Library in the post. If you're enjoying the craft kit, we do have others. There's a new one every Thursday, and sometimes there's a few left over. You can stop by the teen room. We are now open for limited hours, so check out our website for those hours. That's manliuslibrary.org. Mine is turning into a little bit of a mess here, but it's pretty. Okay. We'll do the other side of these. Maybe. Okay. I got my water here. We're going to hang that and let that dry. Make sure you put your covers back on your paints because that will keep them fresh for you to use later for this project or going forward with other projects. So once you've done painting, you can use the glue to stick on the glitter and decorate it however you'd like with the stickers. You should have Q-tips in your kit, which will be good for putting the glue on wherever you want there to be glitter. And of course, if you have other glitter that you'd like to use, or more stickers, or your imagination is the only limit. Put some glitter there. And then there. And so when you're done, you'll have a beautiful wind chime. to hang inside or out. I'm going to let this set and dry. And there you have it, a beautiful wind chime that you can hang anywhere you'd like that the wind will catch it. I hope that you've enjoyed today's take and make, and if you're interested in any of the back kits that we might still have, you can give the library a call or pop over to our website at manliustlibrary.org and see what we might have available. Or you can stop into the library during our limited hours. As I said, check our website and you'll see what hours we are open. I will see you next week. You can find me here every Thursday at 4 o'clock on the Manlius Library YouTube channel, and kits go available for registration the week before the video goes live. Thank you very much. Happy crafting!